Hi students, MCQ number 13. The electric potential V at any point with coordinates x, y and z in space is given by V equal to 4x square. The electric field at a point having coordinates 1, 0, 2 meter is to be determined. So very simple numerical problem. Now first we take the potential V is equal to 4x square. So I differentiate this equation with respect to S. So this is dV by dx is equal to 4 into 2 is 8x. But what is the electric field E? E is equal to minus of dV by dx. So this must be equal to minus 8x. So the coordinates of x, y, z are 1, 0, 2. So the value of x should be substituted as 1. So this is equal to minus 8 into 1. Therefore E is equal to minus 8 volt per meter. Very clearly this shows that minus 8 volt per meter. That means it is 8 volt per meter in the negative x direction. So it is 8 volt per meter along the negative x axis. So option B must be the correct answer. Therefore option B is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.